Naging boyfriend mo rin si Anjo Iliana.
Opo.
We're already actually discussing about marriage.
Yeah, pero,
What, tama?
pero hindi nakarating yung yung sing-sing.
Ay, hindi nakasing. May dahilan eh. If there's also a movie material or whatever na iaalok sa'yo, will you still consider working with them? Si Anjo lang ba, tsaka si Romnick ang showbiz boyfriend mo?
Nandi Ochoa also. And,
Ano na
and
siya
Aga
ngayon?
too.
Sandali lang si Aga. Yung
Almost
iba nga,
2 years.
gusto ko lang balikan yung time ng triplets.
Yes po.
Was there a time na nagkaroon kayo ng rivalry? Dito kayo sa Pilipinas nagpakasal ng ex-husband mong si Norman.
3 beses kami nagpakasala.
Umabot din ng 12 years.
Actually, almost 15 din.
And you give up your career here. Magandang araw Pilipinas at sa ating mga kababayan sa ibang bansa. Welcome to TikTok with Aster Amoya. Sa araw na ito mga kaibigan ay isa na naman pong sikat na celebrity ang ating makakakwentuhan. She comes from showbiz royalty, a singer, performer, actress, and entrepreneur. Mga kaibigan, please help me welcome Cheryl Cruz!
Thank you, Tita Aster. At magandang araw sa inyong lahat na nanonood sa TikTok with, of course, nag-iisang Aster Amoyo.
You were only 4 nung magsimula ka sa showbiz. Kwentuhan mo naman
Kwentuhan
kami.
kita.
Oo.
The way that I started in show business was because of Tito Cheng Mulak, the dad of Aga. My dad was making projects with the Wonder Films that time. He happened to visit the house of Aga.
This is Ricky Belmonte,
Yes,
the late Ricky Belmonte.
my late dad,
Oo.
si Ricky Belmonte, or better known as Jessie
Jessie
Cruz.
Cruz,
Yeah.
okay.
Pumunta si Tito Cheng sa bahay namin because of some business meeting. Nung nalaman ng Tito Cheng na merong daughter yung dad ko na mahilig mag-artista, sabi niya, on the spot, pag-auditionin natin para may kapareha si Wonder Boy.
Si
And you
Nino.
know kung sino si Wonder Boy? Si Nino Mulak. That's when it all happened. And the rest was history. Kasi he was the one who discovered me, Tito Cheng.
Oh.
So, ako yung pinarehas kay Nino for Pepeng Kulisap and Agimat ni Pepe.
Oh.
So, siya yung unang-unang ka-love team ko, si Nino.
At 4 years
At 4
old?
years old.
Oh, wow.
Yan. Kasi di ba, kumbaga,
Oo.
yung sinasabi nilang puppy love, yung
Oo.
ganyan-ganyan.
4 years
So,
old.
yun, si Onin yung
Oh.
aking first love team. At kamukha-kamukha niya.
So,
Si Alonso,
Alonso.
sobrang ang cute-cute
Yes,
ng batang
yes,
yun. Naalala ko
oo.
tuloy si Onin sa mga ginawa naming proyekto before.
Mabuti lang mas matangkad kay ni Onin. Onin. Like what I said, galing ka sa showbiz royalty. Nanay mo, of course, Rosemary Sonora,
Ricky Belmonte. Ang uncle ko, si Fernando Po Jr., married to Susan Rosas, na kapatid ng nanay ko.
Oo.
Sa side ng mama ko, puro mga artista talaga.
Oo.
Sa side ng tatay ko, musikero and artista.
Oo.
Ang great-grandfather ko ay si Tirso Cruz Sr. Siya yung gumawa ng Mabuhay March na tinutugtog pagka may mga presidents na nagmamarch siya.
Oh.
Until now, tinutugtog pa rin yung Mabuhay March.
Oo.
Isa sa mga naging mentor niya was one of the popular na jazz American composers. So, he was actually branded as Dr. Jazz dito sa Philippines. Sa Manila Hotel, nandoon
Grabe, no?
nakalagay. So, bukod doon, di ba, alam natin na yung uncle ko, na si Fernando Po Jr., ay isa sa mga national artists ng Philippines. So,
Yes.
I'm very proud of that.
And of course, mga pinsan mo.
Ang mga pinsan ko naman, okay, sa side naman ng dad ko, sa mga Cruz side, andyan si
Tercio Cruz III muna.
yes, andyan ang uncle
mo.
ko muna, of course. Uncle Pete, si Tirso Cruz, the third yon. And then, after nun, sila Chona Cruz, the late Chona Cruz,
Oo.
yung kumanta ng I'm Feeling Sexy
Yes.
Tonight. Bukod doon, andyan yung aking mga pinsan. Si Sunshine, pinsan ko yan, na buo, si Sunshine Cruz. Kay Uncle Danny na
Yes,
kapatid ng papa ko. After nun, yung mga pamangking ko na anak ni Sunshine ay mga artista na rin. Si
oo.
Angelina, I think, is
Yes,
one of them.
right.
Isa pang pinsan kong buo, unahin natin si Raver at saka si Rojun. Parehas ko yung pinsang buo dahil ang magkapatid, ang Auntie Melody ko or Auntie Beth ko, na mom nila, and my dad. Ngayon,
Yes.
let's go to my second cousins. Ang second cousins ko, si Geneva at saka si Donna
Cruz.
Cruz, no? Because yung dad at mom nila, si Uncle Boyet, si Auntie Yoli, no? Ay pinsang buo ng papa ko.
Grabe, no?
Okay. Andyan yung kapatid ko, si Renzo, di ba? And yung daughter ko na si Nicole, si Ashley, but she's using Nicole's Sonora.
Alright. Oh, that's
Actually,
good. Mas gusto ko yung Nicole.
in tribute to my mom.
Oo.
Di ba? Para ipagpatuloy yung Sonora na,
Yes.
na line. Yan yung napag-usapan nila ni Rams, ni Ateng. So, ayan, yung bago ninyong tatangkilikin.
Nakakatuwa
Yun.
talaga. It's
Yes.
showbiz runs in the
Yes
blood.
po. At meron pa akong isa pang musikero na na pinsan. Na Tirso Cruz din ang pangalan ng TAC4. Si Pong ang tawag ko. Taga-gagalangin naman yon. At isa sa mga magagaling na musikero. Kinanta niya yung single na Pwede pa naman.
Grabe. Kaya talaga lahat kayo kumakanta? Lahat kayo magagaling kumanta?
Kumakanta, sumasayaw.
Sumasayaw.
Hindi buo pag walang sayaw. Kasi sila Raver, sila Rojun, kilalang-kilala
Mga
yan sa
dancers,
pagsasayaw. At kasama ko rin sila sa series na Born to Shine.
Tell
Sila
me
sa Born
about
to Shine.
your new series.
Yes, actually, I was tapped by Miss Cheryl Ching of Channel 7. Matagal ko nang katrabaho si Miss Cheryl Ching sa iba pang mga proyekto ko sa 7. And since siguro na-miss yung triplet ng mga manonood,
Yes.
ng mga followers, nahiling nila na sana si Cheryl makasama dito sa Born to Shine. Kasi ang Born to Shine ay puro mga singers.
Parang musical
Yes,
drama?
puro mga singers siya na pinagbibidahan nila Vina Morales, ni Manilyn Reynes, yung mga kaibigan ko, si Tina Paner, and then si Rosel Nava is also here.
Yeah.
Yes, so puro mga
Parang nagbabalik.
It's all
Oo,
singers,
oo.
di ba?
Yes.
It's about a show circling around mga P-pop,
Mhm.
paano nabubuo yung mga Pinoy pop, Pinay pop na group.
Yes.
And then, ako naman kasi, ang role ko doon is respected vocal coach. Matatawa ka kasi yung pangalan ko is Giovanna Grande. Parang Ariana Grande.
Wow.
Di ba na yung joke? Tapos yung palayo ko is Vanna.
Oo.
So, saan ba yung Vanna nakuha? Di ba? That's from the 80s or 90s na FOJ, Vanna, yung mga
Yes,
group na
right,
ganon,
right,
di ba?
right.
It just brings back good memories. And then, ang kasama ko dito, si Rojun, isa siya sa mga teachers din kasama ko sa bootcamp.
Pinsan mo.
Oo, choreographer naman siya, di ba?
Bagay sa
Extraordinary
kanya.
choreographer.
Bagay.
At si Raver naman, siya yung batang Deo. Love interest ni Vina at ni Manilyn at one point.
Okay.
In time. So, kailangan yung panoorin yan. Kasi ang young Vina Morales is none other than Julie Ann San Jose.
Oh.
And Smokey Manoloto is also part of the show.
Na taga-Dutch Entertainment
Yes,
din.
na asawa ni Manilyn.
Okay.
At saka yung mga very promising na mga baguhan na artist ng Channel 7, like Zephanie. Zephanie plays the role of Jenny, who I will be training. Magkakaroon naman siya ng magandang outcome dun sa pag-train niya. And then si Manilyn is the mother of Zephanie here. Tita Tacy Tomas is also part of the show. Lola naman ni Megan, yung anak dito ni Vina.
Ganda ng casting.
Ganda
Tsaka
yung
reunion ng
casting.
triplets, reunion ng Dutch Entertainment members.
Yes.
At saka reunion ng magpipinsan.
Ako, si Rojun, si Raver, actually.
See?
Yes.
Ikaw, seeing your relatives, of course, before, ang mas senior, your mom,
Yes.
your auntie, your uncle. Pero this time, kayo magpipinsan. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga anak na.
Yes po.
Like, your daughter, your only child,
yes.
papasok na rin sa showbiz, si Nicole.
Si Nicole, yes
Diba? Speaking of your daughter, Ashley Nicole Bustos, she graduated summa cum laude.
The highest. Psychology and then race and resistance minor.
At sa sa Amerika.
San Francisco State University.
What made her decide na mag-showbiz sa halip na i-practice niya yung kanyang tinapos?
Ever since she was young, pati yung mga pamangking kong si Alex at saka si Sophia, I always made it a point na isama ko sila sa mga trabaho ko, sa tapings, sa filmings, ng shootings, para at least aware sila ano yung ginagawa ko. I let them visit sa set. At a very good hour naman, hindi naman yung puyatan. Oo. Basta malapit lang yung mga locations, I let them visit. Para they're aware of what I do. Bakit ang tagal ko wala sa bahay. Minsan may puyatan, wala pang Eddie Garcia bill. Ngayon, we're so grateful dahil may Eddie Garcia bill na nakakatulong. Hindi lang artista, kundi sa lahat ng production staff ng industriya. I guess she took a liking, and because she's very creative herself, she can sing, she's a very good comedian. If you see her, parang yung nanay ko, alam mo yung mga bata ng lagim? Yung tumataas na gano'n, yung book ng mom ko nung time na yon, black and white pa yung napapanood din, yung mga batang lagim, ganyan. My daughter has actually a talent for comedy talaga. She can look very serious, but then she not only has a talent for comedy, she's also a gifted writer. screenplay writer. She can
Wow.
make a lot of stories. Parang nga si Uncle Rani eh. Parang lolo niya. Kasi di ba, yes, nagdi-direct,
Oo.
gumagawa ng mga script, screenplay,
Yes.
di ba? Ronaldo
Ronaldo
Reyes.
Reyes.
Yes.
oo.
So, ayan ang peg name niya, Ashley Bustos, di ba? Ganun na lang yun.
yes.
And then, bilang artista, she will be called Nicole Sonora.
Nicole Sonora.
Yes.
How's your mom,
I
Rosemary?
guess she's good. She's enjoying her retired life as ordinary person.
When was the last time na umuwi ang mami mo?
It's been a while because during the time na my auntie passed away, we didn't really expect them to come home because that was the time na COVID pa, di
Oh,
ba?
yes.
Bilang, alam nyo na, mga senior citizen na, syempre,
Mhm.
health comes first. At saka, hindi natin alam kung ano yung pakiramdam ng katawan ng tao pagka nagkakaedad na, if they are comfortable in traveling pa or not. Ang pinaka-importante doon is, we saw each other through the platforms sa social media.
Yun ang
Actually, it's very
advantage.
convenient, di ba?
Oo.
Meron na tayong iMessenger na pwede tayong mag-instant video chat. Merong FaceTime, di ba? So, all those things, kahit paano nakatulong.
What about your older brother na si
Lawrence.
Oh,
We haven't talked with each other for a while, but I know that they're in Texas.
is married
With
na.
paternal twins. Naroon akong paternal twins na mga pamangkin. And the wife kasi of my youngest brother, Patrick, is Australian-Filipino.
And of course, si Wawi, nag-artista siya for a while.
Yes, but
Oo.
I think they've been traveling.
At least, ilan ang pamangkin mo naman kay Wawi?
Sa kanya, 3.
Both sides kasi, from your dad's side, from your mom's sides, puro nasa industriya. Singing, pinaghalo-halo, dancing, and of course, acting.
Yes po.
How much % of those talents ang nakuha mo sa parents mo?
I'm very blessed, Tita Astor, because a lot of my talents talagang I got from both sides of my family. Especially yung being a musician because I play the piano and I also play the bass guitar. As taught by my
Talaga?
Uncle Jerry, yung
Oo.
half-brother ng
Oo.
dad ko,
Oo.
Jerry Cruz.
Mm-mm.
He's in LA. Hi, Uncle Jerry,
Mm-mm.
Uncle Jandy. From then on, yung singing, yung dancing, nakuha ko sa kanila. Yung pag-compose ng music, I think I got that also from
So you also write songs?
Yes.
Wow.
I also write
Oo.
songs.
Yun ang hindi masyadong na-highlight, di ba?
Mananatili, the one wherein I won Female Pop Vocalist of the Year for
Star
Star
Awards,
Awards
okay.
for singing with my 4th solo album, Sa Puso Ay Ikaw Pa Rin. Mananatili is a song that I made.
And of course, nakatatak sa iyo yung song na
Mr. Dream Boy, and Sabi
di ba?
Ko Na Nga Ba, which
Oo.
was composed by the late Snafu Rigor. Sabi Ko Na Nga Ba naman was made by the late Bernadette Gutierrez. She also wrote Kaibigan Lang Pala, which I revived for her.
Ilang taon ka nung mag-join ka naman sa That's Entertainment?
As far as I can remember, if memory serves me right, around 12 years old. Kasi hindi pa ako teen nun eh. Ako talaga yung bunso sa triplets.
Wala pa nun si
Oo.
Billy Crawford.
Wala pa po.
Wala pa,
po.
oo.
Ang aming original members were only like 12 of us or 16 of us sa original members. Basta from Mondays to Thursdays pa lang. Wala pang Fridays, wala pang Saturdays.
So, ang laking bagay ng That's Entertainment in terms of training.
Sobra. It's
Oo.
an unprecedented, youth-oriented show na ginawa ni Kuya Germs. And you know how Kuya Germs is. The late Kuya Germs was ahead of his time. Visionary eh. After That's Entertainment, nagsulputan na yung mga iba pang mga youth-oriented shows wherein they show acting, they show singing, they show dancing. Both networks, they already
Right.
had their own platforms, di ba?
Right,
But
right.
it was based on That's
And-
Entertainment.
Kumbaga sa mga graduates ng That's Entertainment, kasama doon sina Lea Salonga,
Yes, actually,
the
si
late
Lea
Francis
was one.
Magalona, Herbert
Yes,
Bautista.
kasama
Oo.
ko si Lea sa isang movie namin ni Onin for the Wonder Films din. Mga tropang bulilit. Magkakasama
Oh, yes,
kami
yes.
doon
Oh,
nila.
tama. Na Lea.
Yes. It's nice kasi nung nag-graduate naman ako sa That's Entertainment, I was transferred to GMA Super Show. Kaya yung
Oo.
ibang batch ng mga taga That's Entertainment, like sila Patricia Javier, like my brother, hindi ko na nakasama yung time
Hindi
na
mo
yun.
tinapos actually yung 10 years sa That's Entertainment, like, I think 1994.
Yeah, because tinransfer na po ako ni
Nilipat
Kuya
ka na
Germs
sa
dun sa,
GMA.
sa GMA Super Show.
Correct,
Yes
tama.
po.
Kayo ni Navina.
Hindi ko na nakasama si Vina. Ang nakasama ko lang sila Gretchen,
Mm-mm.
sila
Lani Mercado.
Lani. Yan ang
Yes,
mga
yes,
nakasama
oh.
ko. Yes,
Don
yes,
Zulueta.
yes. Yes po. Siguro after ko, tsaka si Vina pumasok.
Nung nasa That's Entertainment pa kayo, syempre doon nabuo yung mga love team.
Yes po.
Di ba?
Yes po.
And we have to admit na talagang love team nyo ni Romnick Sarmenta was one of the hottest.
Yes, and
Di ba?
I'm very grateful
Oo.
for our love team kasi
Okay.
hindi naman namin mararating yung status na narating namin if not also for the help of the love team. That's why I'm very grateful to all our fans and followers na hanggang ngayon masugid pa rin na sumusubaybay.
Pero naging kayo rin naman ni Romnick, di ba?
Naging kami
Oo.
sa magiging love team
Oo.
actually because
Oo.
I was so young that time.
Yes. First boyfriend mo si Romnick, di
No,
ba?
my first boyfriend was an Australian. Oo.
Talaga? Not
Yes,
Romnick?
Not Romnick.
Okay.
His name was Daniel Bowman. Isa siya sa mga twin doon sa Anchor na powdered milk.
Oh,
Na,
yeah.
na commercials.
Yes, I remember. Oo.
Kuku, baby,
Gwapo-gwapo
that
ng
one.
mga yun.
Yes, po.
Yes, yes. I didn't know that. Akala ko nga si Romnick.
So now you know?
Oo, now we
you
know. Now we know. Hindi lang
Now
ako,
you
sabi ko nga
know.
sa'yo.
Yes.
Ang dami ko ng discoveries eh.
Yes, yes.
Kasi ang pagkakaalam ng lahat, including me, na si Romnick ang first boyfriend mo, siya ang first love mo, hindi pala.
Hindi po.
Sabi mo kanina, you are friends with your exes,
Mhm.
including Romnick.
Most of
Oh,
them, yes.
Yes. So, walang problema sa'yo kung pagsasamahin kayo sa...
Ever since before, I've already expressed
Oo.
to Rams and even yung ibang mga lumalapit na if I'm willing to do a project with Romic, I've always said yes.
Oo.
But it only depends on the schedulings.
On the material.
Yes, and the material if
Oh,
it's
yeah.
good.
Oh,
Of
yeah.
course, at our age right now,
Oo
you're always
naman.
looking at the
Oo
material,
naman.
di ba?
Oo.
Because hindi naman kami pwedeng basta sumunggab sa isang proyekto na hindi naman maganda yung pagkakagawa.
Oo,
At
yeah.
hindi babagay sa amin yung mga roles.
Naging boyfriend mo rin si Anju Iliana.
Opo.
We were already actively discussing about marriage.
Yeah, pero
What, tama?
pero hindi nakarating yung yung sing-sing.
Ay, hindi nakasing-sing. Okay.
So it
Oo.
still doesn't
Oh,
matter, di ba?
Okay. May dahilan eh.
He got someone pregnant. Yun yun.
Oh, yes.
So,
Kaya ka umalis papuntang Amerika? Is that?
one of the reasons,
Okay.
probably.
You were not meant to be talaga.
Yes. But it's not because of him. That's why I went to the
Yes,
States to
akala
do
ko
it.
nga that was the reason because syempre na, kumbaga na heartbroken ka.
Everyone who goes through stages of heartbreak, they can go through whatever I've gone through. But then, hindi naman ako yung tipong tao na I would just go out of the Philippines just because of that.
Are you friends still with
We
Anjo?
talk. We are actually civil to each other.
Pero kung if there's also a movie material or whatever na iaalok sa'yo, will you still consider working with them?
Practical lang ako, tita. So, of course, basta maganda yung proyekto at tailor-made para sa akin yung role, why not?
Si Anjo lang ba tsaka si Romnick ang showbiz boyfriend mo?
Mandy Ochoa also.
Ay, oh, yeah. Medyo na hindi ko na ma-recall yun. Mandy, hi Mandy.
And,
Ano na
and
siya
Aga
ngayon?
too.
Pero sandali lang si Aga. Yung
Almost
iba nga,
2 years.
paano naman nag-cross ang landas na nyo ng ex-husband mong si Norman Bustos?
Isa siya sa mga security ko for Fiesta Filipiniana in San Francisco when I actually did a show there for the
Mhm.
Filipinos. He volunteered this time and then the sparks flew. Kaya nagkaroon ng Ashley.
I remember.
Nagkaroon ng
Tapos,
Ashley.
hindi, of course, before that, dito kayo sa Pilipinas nagpakasal.
3 beses kami nagpakasal.
Ah.
2 beses sa West.
Oo.
Isa sa Lake Tahoe, isa dito sa Pilipinas na West. Tapos nun, we got married in church sa San Francisco.
Tapos kinasal din kayo sa simbahan dito sa Pilipinas.
Hindi po sa simbahan dito, West lang kami dito.
I thought all the while it was a, kasi parang it was
It was
a
a
grand
big,
wedding.
I know, it was a big event. And it was presided by Jingoy that time.
Umabot din ng 12 years.
Actually, almost 15 din.
And you give up your career here.
Yes, when you love someone, I
Yes.
guess you give up something precious to you. But then, when things didn't work out, of course, I wanted to find my footing again. What was closest to my heart was my job. A feeling of belonging again dun sa job na kinalakihan ko. Familiarity of all the people that I worked with. So, I wanted to be close to home and,
Na-miss mo
and
talaga.
find that familiar place, that familiar surrounding. But when I came back, no, Tita Aster, it was on my own terms. Not because I was a people pleaser. Because when you're growing up in show business, almost everyone wants people to like them. We want to feel accepted or else your anxiety
Yes.
just spikes up dahil nga parang, ay, hindi ako accepted. You have your insecurities, all that stuff. That is when you're beginning, di ba? But then, I realized after graduating, having an education in the States, na those are not the only important things. The important things are what makes you happy as a person when you go and do your job. I love my job. I have passion for the entertainment business, for recording, for the arts, for doing shootings, filming, and for doing TV shows, for doing mga live events, singing, concerts, ganyan. But what is most important to me is not pleasing people anymore, but pleasing myself. If I know that I've done a job well done, my work is good work, and that I can be proud of it, and it's all for the greater glory of God, di ba yung ganyan? Then everything else doesn't matter. Everything else is just noise.
Kailan kayo bumalik sa Pilipinas?
I came back after my Uncle Ronnie visited, 2010 yun, before he passed away nung 2014.
2014, yes. At saka hindi ka nahirapan because immediately after,
Yeah, with arms open wide, I was embraced. I'm so blessed to actually be embraced by showbiz again, by the followers, by the people, not only from my generation, but also from the new generation. Sabi ko nga sa anak ko, papasukin mo ang show business, kailangan you have thick skin. You should know yourself better than anyone else. And you have an advantage because pinag-aralan mo psychology. So wag ka papadala, sabi ko, sa mga bashers, sa mga mema, di ba yung mga ganyan? Because a lot of people just want to feel important by saying something stupid. As far as I'm concerned, hindi naman siguro ako tatagal dito sa showbiz kung mahina loob ko, kung mahina puso ko, at saka kung wala akong paniniwala dun sa may kapal, at sa mga taong katulad ninyo na tumutulong din naman sa mga artista na katulad ko. So sabi ko sa kanya, just be yourself, you know yourself better than anyone else. You're of age, you know what's right, you know what's wrong, di ba? And sa akin, I'm just here to support you because you've done all the hard work. You went to school, you graduated, and you didn't only graduate, but you graduated surpassing my highest aspirations for you. Dahil nga, when you graduated, I didn't know that you were going to graduate as summa cum laude. Because I thought cum laude lang. Cum laude ako nag-graduate before.
Wow.
Sinurpass niya yun. So,
Yes.
sabi ko, yun talaga yung gusto ko. Dahil wala naman tayong ibang gusto para sa mga anak natin, di ba? Whether nasa showbiz ka o sa labas ng showbiz na masurpass kung ano man yung narating mo ng anak mo.
Anong reaction ng ex-husband mo nung magdesisyon si Nicole? Na
That's what I asked her because, di ba,
Oo.
she talks a lot with her dad. And
Oo.
I asked her, how is your dad with your decision entering show business? And I was happy when she told me that he was very supportive.
Oh.
And I guess, hindi mo naman pwedeng ipagkait sa anak mo pag nakikita mong growing up, andun sa dugo nila, they manifest it or they actually show it, di ba? They express it, not only because she was active in mga school plays, but she also sings a lot. She enjoys writing all these nice stories.
Galing,
So,
napaka-
paano mo pipigilan yun, di ba,
Yes,
Tita
yes.
Astor? Hindi mo naman pwedeng pigilan. So, para sa akin, yes, maraming magulang nagsasabi na sana iba na lang pasukin na career ng kanilang mga anak because it's a very unforgiving profession, show business, di ba? But anything naman you love, you have to sacrifice some things. You'll never know how tough you are as a person if you don't go through with it. So yung sa akin, there's show business. You can actually try it for some time. Ngayon, if you really like it that much, then you can grow matured into this business also. But if you don't like it because you already have graduated and may diploma ka, you can always go and do another career, di ba? Right now that she's still young, the world is her oyster.
At saka ang maganda is you're there to guide her. Ang dami niyang paghihingan or hihingan ng payo, ng tips, because all her uncles, aunties, naandyan.
Actually, it
In
was
same business.
funny.
Oh.
When I was taping for Born to Shine, kasama ko si Raver, yung uncle niya, and Raver's girlfriend, si Julianne.
Julianne.
So,
Not a good
pinakita ko sa
singer.
kanila yung pamangkin nila, and
Oo.
they were both excited, and they were saying, oh, when are you joining us? Di ba? When are you joining us? Parang siguro sa taping or whatever, or sa isang proyekto. And she says, oh, I'm having, sabi niya, I'm preparing for an interview soon and I'm so nervous. Sabi niya, kaya mo yan. It's so nice na coming from my cousins
Di ba?
and from Julie na, na may assurance na kaya mo yan, na you can do it because it's in your blood, yung ganun. So, I'm very grateful to them for those kind words.
Is she preparing for workshops na? Like
Actually,
acting?
there's already one that's lined up. Ako naman, Tita Astor, I don't want to be a stage mom. That's why I told Rams, Ateng, ikaw na bahala sa daughter ko, di ba? Ikaw na bahala mag-guide dyan. I'm here for whenever she needs me, but she's already of age. She's 24, she's of age, and I don't want na dinidiktahan ko bawat kilos niya because
Tama.
I
Tama
want her to
naman
be
yun.
able to
Oo.
breathe. Kami, growing up, sometimes I felt like walking on eggshells because I didn't know any better. But now that I'm already matured, I'm at this age, I'm already in my 50s. I know better. At saka
Golden
with the
girl ka na,
yes,
no?
yung golden girl,
Oo.
di ba? Golden girl.
Oo.
Yung ganun. And I'd like to age gracefully just like my auntie, my mom, di ba? And all the other actresses na hinangaan ko dito sa showbiz.
Alam mo, habang tinititigan kita, ngayon ko lang na-realize na carbon copy ka ng nanay mo.
Wow.
Did
Ni Aros
somebody
Bangawa
tell you
Peki.
that?
Yes.
Oh, di ba? Grabe. Ay, laki. Rosemary, di ba? My
Thank
God,
you.
I am a big fan
Oh, thank you.
of Rosemary and of course,
Rikitik.
Oo.
And actually,
Yun,
sa mga partners ng mom ko, na tuwan-tuwa ako, is Tito Pipito Rodriguez din.
Oh,
Because during
ay,
that
Pipito
time,
is also a good
Tito
friend.
Pipito.
Oo.
During that time that
Mm-mm.
my mom was in the States, she wasn't visiting the Philippines yet. Meron silang event sa Pagita
It's a regular
Studios.
thing, yes.
My Auntie Susan was still alive
Yes.
that time.
Oo.
So, ako yung naging Rosemary representative that time. Tapos siya yung partner ko.
Oo,
So, it was
talaga.
nice. It was
Oo.
nice that time
Oo.
talaga na siya yung partner ko.
Na-interview ko na dito si Pipito eh. He's also a good friend. Alam mo, napaamin ko yun, parang reluctant pa siya eh. Sabi ko, bakit hindi kayong nagkatuluyan ni Rosemary? Kasi silang dalawa ang pinakapaborito before your dad came. Kasi kahit papano, it was like, sila muna eh.
Yes, yes.
Bago pumasok ang dad mo, bago naging love
Yes,
triangle, di ba? Sabi ko, what happened? Ganyan. Pero naging kayo ba ni Rosemary? Noong una, hindi siya, sabi niya, oo, pero parang hindi niya maano eh. Di ba, parang it's either nahihiya siya or at my age, parang hindi ko na kailangan pa di ba? Ramdam ko na somehow, minahal niya talagang nanay mo.
But thank you.
Oo, di ba? Minahal niya.
He's always
Oo.
been a gentleman.
Yes, he is. Kaya sabi ko, sayang hindi nag-asawa eh. Di ba?
Wow.
Oo, but he's happy.
I always watch his movies. Also,
Di ba? Ang
movies
dalawa.
of his brother, si Ramil.
The late Ramil
Yes.
Rodriguez.
Ang
Oo.
gwapo rin nun,
Oo,
di ba?
di ba?
Ang gwapo talaga ng yung mga stars, mga then stars sa Pagita. Iba talaga yung nila, yung level nila.
Ano ang naidulot sa'yo ng industriyang ito?
It helped me stay grounded. Learn to see my real self, my authentic self. Because when you're an actress, when you're a performer, you perform to people to make them happy or kahit paano to make a difference in their lives. Ganon din ang pag-acting. Ngayon, pag wala na ako sa harapan ng camera o sa harapan ng entablado, I keep to myself. I actually appreciate my quiet time. I recharge. I look around my surroundings, try to be more relatable as a person. Kasi nga, hindi naman lahat ng mga acting ko na pag-aaralan ko sa foreign movies or sa local films na nakikita ko. If I really want to be relatable, I have to feel the heart of a person or an experience that I see in my surroundings, whether current events, yung mga ganyan, na medyo you keep in touch dun sa plight ng mga tao. Nakikita mo, whether sa masa, sa high class, tao pa rin yun. I just want to remain true to myself. So, yung sa akin, yes, there's gonna be up and downs. Parang roller coaster, yung ride ng pagiging parte ng business na ito. But through it all, it's a very, very blessing to actors and actresses and performers like me. Because saan ka makakakuha ng trabaho wherein you get a ticket to travel for free at babayaran ka pa.
At nai-enjoy mo pa.
At na-enjoy mo pa. At
Oo.
hindi lang yon.
Right.
Marami ka pang magiging kaibigan.
Right,
Di ba?
right,
So,
right.
sa future travels mo, you already made a connection, you made networks and ganyan. Kung papangalagaan mo lang, kahit tumanda ka pa, you'll always have friends everywhere in the entire world. And it's not only that, you see the beauty of God everywhere around you. Pag ikaw nasa showbiz ka, you're just stuck in like what? 24 hours a day sa isang set, sa production, yung ganun. But when you travel around, di ba, then you see the beauty sa nature, you see different churches, religious places. Sabi mo, wow, I'm just a small part of this world and the world is so big. So before, my auntie would tell me, don't keep yourself in this very small bubble. If you are in love with somebody na you and me against the world, kailangan palawakin mo yung iyong surroundings, di ba? And when you know na you're part of a bigger world, then you'll be able to explore, you'll be able to know the person who you are, di ba? Hindi yung andito ka lang, very limited. Kailangan mong spread yung wings mo to grow.
Alam mo na, amaze ako sa iyo ngayon. Nung Cheryl, na nasa That's Entertainment, fast forward to now, My God, you've grown up. Talagang yung pag-iisip mo, iba na eh. Nag-mature ka nga. Tulad ng mga iba dyan, ibang mga artista, marami rin pinagdaanan,
Yes po.
di ba?
Opo.
And in your case, parang, ang dami mong natutunan, ang dami
Kasi
mong
Tita
learnings,
Astor,
ang dami
akala
mong...
kasi ng mga tao,
Oo.
no? Once you're in a family, like my family, ang feeling nila kasi, hindi to
Perfect,
dumadaan sa
oo.
hirap,
Oo.
hindi to dumadaan sa mga problema.
Mm.
You're very wrong. We may have different problems, di ba? Probably hindi financial, probably personal or emotional, ganyan. Pero problema pa rin ang pinagdadaanan namin. And I guess it's all these problems that made me who I am today. Stronger and a person who can adjust better sa mga circumstances na medyo iba sa paningin ko or strange, di ba? Because parang sabi nga nila, di ba, ang tao, pagka natutong mag-adapt sa isang bagay or sa isang surrounding na hindi familiar, then you're better prepared because you know how to adjust. And I think, ang mga artista talaga, they have to evolve. Like me, di ba? As a person, or even as a person, you
Yes,
have to
yes.
evolve.
Mhm.
Because hindi pwedeng stuck ka doon sa generation mo.
Sa-
You have to
or
go
nakakahon.
with the new generation,
Right,
di ba? You
right.
have to think
Oo.
outside of the box.
Right.
So, in order for you to feel comfortable at this time, di ba, you have to go with the flow, I guess. And Tita Astor,
Diba?
I'd like to take this opportunity again na imbitahan lahat ng mga followers mo na abangan nila yung Kapatiran na movie.
Oh, yes,
kasama
of
ko
course.
dito si EJ Falcon.
Oo.
So, it's a film by Mamay Productions.
And Mayor Mamay is a good friend of
Mayor
mine.
Mamay, kamusta
Oo.
kayo dyan? Ang mga kasamahan natin dyan sa merong Lanao del Norte, lalo na
Sa
sa
Nunungan.
Nunungan.
Yes,
Kasi
yes.
nag-film kami dyan.
Kailangan makapasyal ako dyan, Mayor, one of these days.
So, it's about fraternities.
Yes.
Very timely siya. Kaya dramatic.
Bembol
It's-
Rocco is also part
Yes.
of the movie. Oo.
Patricia Javier is also
Yes,
here. Baron
right.
Geisler is also
Right.
here. Yung anak ng Pandan Restaurant is going to make his
yes,
debut
si MJ
there. Yes, si MJ
Makalintal,
is going to be
oo,
one of the
MJ Makalintal.
neophytes.
Hi,
So,
MJ.
you have to look
Yeah.
out for this movie kasi
Right.
natataon siya, very controversial yung film
Mm-mm.
because it talks about yung mga nangyayari sa fraternities, 'di ba? So, and it's under the direction of an award-winning director, Neil Buboy Tan.
Kailan to papalabas?
This year.
This
And
year.
actually,
Um,
it's already invited sa Metro Manila International Film
Oh.
Festival Awards.
A new movie and a new TV series.
Yes.
O, di ba?
And traveling
And
also.
traveling
So,
as
yes.
well. And you have your business as well.
Yes.
Ano itong negosyo nyo?
She and I, Sarap Timpla, meat products, but you have to wait for it kasi babalik kami dito ng partner ko na si Eileen Rivera.
Oh, yes.
Actually, isa to sa mga sub-meat products or sub-businesses ng Nanay Cedes Meat Products.
Alam mo, natutuwa ako sa mga celebrities na pumapasok sa negosyo.
Na nagbe-venture out.
Na nagbe-venture out. Kasi acting cannot be a permanent thing.
Yes. Nothing is permanent.
Not-
Plus, everybody loves
Yeah.
to eat.
Yes,
Diba? It's just
yes.
that sa business
Parang you
namin,
won't go
kailangan
wrong.
lang namin to look out for
Oo.
our, diba?
Yes,
For our
yes.
weight. But then everybody loves to eat.
Gusto ko lang balikan yung time ng triplets.
Yes po.
Sa That's Entertainment. Was there a time na nagkaroon kayo ng rivalry or competition
actually,
or kahit pa paano naka-apekto sa inyo?
Sa akin, no, it wasn't really about rivalry. It's just that yung mga fans namin was pitting us against each other. You know how fans
Yeah, totoo,
are. And
totoo.
not only that, syempre siguro parte na rin yun ng mga pang-iintriga ng mga press. Pinagko-compete kami. But then, in our hearts, lalo na ang tingin ko kay Manilyn, kay Latina, mga ate ko.
Parang
Ganyan,
mga
di ba?
kapatid
Di ba
mo yan,
dito
eh,
sa Pilipinas, di ba, we give respect to our elders, di ba?
Right.
And they love me just like, ate loving yung bunsong kapatid, ganyan. So I felt that.
Mhm.
I felt family with Tina and Manilyn. And until now, I love them. And actually, yung love na yon extended na dun sa kanilang mga firstborn. Kasi
Yes.
si Sean Kyle na anak ni Manilyn, yung kanyang panganay, is my inaanak.
Oh.
And Shane,
Oh.
who recently celebrated her birthday in China with her mom, Tina,
Wow.
is also my inaanak. And I'm
Oo.
so proud of her because
Mm-mm.
she's a pharmaceutical graduate. So I'm very proud of my inaanak.
Kung i-rewind ang buhay mo, anong parte doon ang gusto mong balikan?
Siyempre yung 80s. Kasi dekada 80s ako na girl. Yung mga music doon. Ibang-iba yung music na meron tayo nung 80s. It's classic. Tsaka ang gaganda ng mga compositions, yung mga new waves na sinasayaw-sayaw namin nila Manila na Latina hanggang ngayon, pag pinatugtog yun, talagang para kang nasa 80s ulit.
Ang saya nun eh.
Masaya
Ang saya
po,
yung panahon
masaya.
na yun.
But then,
Oo.
I have respect for all genres and all generations, iba-ibang generation ng music. But then, yung para sa akin kasi siguro, I really love the 80s.
And of course, your message to your mom. I know she's gonna watch this.
Take care of yourselves and hope to see you soon, one of these days.
To Patrick.
Parehas po,
Parehas
yung
sila.
message ko, yes.
Okay. At nag-iisa mong anak na si Ashley.
You'll be visiting Tita Aster soon here in TikTok with
Promise
Aster
yan.
Amoyo.
Oo.
So, you get ready for all the questions. I have faith in you. At sa lahat ng mga followers ng TikTok, maraming salamat sa inyo. And huwag niyong kakalimutang subaybayan lagi si Tita Aster, pati yung mga panauhin niyang mga guests dito sa kanyang mga shows. So, maraming salamat sa suporta and God bless you all.
And I'd like to thank your manager, si Ateng, Rams David. Thank you so
Domo arigato gozaimasu.
Oh, di ba?
For taking care of me. Koskete kudasai.
Oh, di ba? Galing.
Domo arigato, minasan. Love you, aishiterumasu.
Ay, marami
minasan.
tayong viewers also
Oo.
from Japan. And of
Yes.
course, it's not only from Japan, all over. Oh, marami tayong viewers.
And please do visit me doon sa aking mga social media platforms, which is Facebook and Instagram at official Cheryl Cruz. Ganun din sa TikTok.
Maraming salamat sa aking personal sponsors, Pandan Asian Cafe. Thank you so much, Alvin, Dennis, and of course, Roland, Ever Belena, Hello Glow, Beauty Derm, Eris Beauty Care, Aficionado by Joel Cruz, R&A Events Specialist by Richie Ang, Asia's Lashes, Nessa Sila Salon for my hair and makeup, Nutritech, maraming salamat, Josh De La Luna, Most View from Japan, Memoy.ph, Silpul Joyce Furnitures, maraming salamat, Charles Solano of Solano Hotel, Colorete Clothing by Bebot Santos, Dr. M. Sevilla of Vine Aesthetics, Shinagawa LASIK and Aesthetic Center, Shinagawa Diagnostic and Preventive Care, Dr. Essentials Aromatherapy. Thank you so much to Sunny Dumalaon of PESMS Events Management, Studio Manila. At of course, kayo mga kaibigan, maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na suporta sa ating programang TikTok with Aster Amoyo. Huwag niyo pong kakaligtaan mag-subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon of TikTok with Aster Amoyo every Friday, 12 noon. Hanggang sa muli mga kaibigan, ito lamang po sa TikTok with Aster Amoyo. Bye for now, and God bless us all.